is where we're logging. So I'm communicating with a server in Brussels, so secure VPN. So that's what the product looks like from a user perspective. Standard Windows functionality, so anything I want to do, I've got a menu I click on, obviously positions, deposits, etc. I can translate into up to 4 different languages. So if I press on that, it'll change to French.
It's pretty handy in Canada.
Right. Not in New York.
No.
There we go. So I can do up to 4 languages at a time.
Now, who's viewing this? This is
This is the back office user.
the bank office.
Yeah.
User. Okay.
So we've got a front office B2C version as well. So let's have a look at a customer, 360-degree view. So I search for the customer, Johnson, click, and what it brings me back is all of the things that meet my search. Once I select him, I get a 360-degree view of the customer and all of his accounts and associated data. So split by assets and liabilities. So he's got 7 accounts, that's the total in euros, percentage of his customer portfolio. That also covers current accounts, savings accounts, loans, shares, etc. And we can interface anything else into there. So if there's an insurance system, we can include data on there. So from here, I can drill down and look at all of the accounts of the customer. And pretty much anything I want to do now, I've got an option to drill down so I can add data towards the customer in the account, I can add blocks to the account, etc. So I can do everything from one point. From a management point of view, what I've also got is the ability to track what value is the customer to the organisation. So I can look at all of his assets, all of his liabilities. Oh. Let me just have a look at his look at things like standing orders. I can set them up, manage them, and once I do it here, it's done centrally for all of the institution.
So what is that we have? I mean, it's one centralized system, it's purely online, and so all the channels are always up to date, because it's basically they're just thin clients, browser-based systems like this is, calling the central services, right? So wherever you are as a customer, whether I link on with my iPad, or I go to a branch or whatever, I will always see all my positions up to date, real-time online.
So from an identification point of view, I've got a picture of the customer, copy of his signature, so again it's central, no one's going to lose it. And from a risk point of view, I can show the risk of the customer to the institution, so all his loans, what's going on with them, any credit limits he's got, what collateral I've got against it, etc. So I manage all of that centrally in one point, and I can go in and open more accounts, do more applications.
Right.
So in a multiple call centre or a multiple branch situation, it doesn't matter where the customer goes or who he sees, everyone knows exactly what's going on and can manage that customer accordingly.
And that all synthesizes up into a master report for bank management.
Yeah.
Right.
Yeah. So again, the reports can either be online or they can be printed reports.
Right.
So we hold all of that data centrally. We can also make custom reports.